Hey, my fellow Americans, my Trumpy allies in making this country great. I want to make clear the complicated relationship I have with you guys. First of all, I am like you. I am like you. And you're like me. That might be disappointing to you. It might be worse than that. And I probably even like you. But I fucking hate you. And let me be clear about why. I fucking hate you because you pretend you are not like me. You can't stand the thought that you are just another human like me. And you have to preen like you're some kind of exceptional expert on reality, and I fucking hate you for it. I despise you for it. I despise you for not recognizing that you are like me. And if you could get over that terrifying fact that you're another human being, just another human being on this planet, if you could get over your obscene, obsessive exceptionalism, we could get along just fine. We are fellow citizens of a country we're both trying to make great, as good as possible, better than it's been. We're on the same page about that. You are not superior to the rest of us. And that you pretend you are is you masturbating in the public square in a circle jerk that turns our country into your private vanity project. And what I want to say is you are like me and I am like you. There are differences. You have skills where I don't. I have skills where you don't. That's how you make a country. But we are like each other. And the fact that you deny that so intensely and pretend you are somehow superior makes me loathe you. And the fact that you then take that loathing as a badge of honor makes me loathe you even more. And so, if you continue down that delusional path, which would be as obscene and obnoxious if it was my path, and you die in your own rot and slop from having turned our reality into your private vanity project, I will laugh, even if I'm dying. And if instead you torture me for not treating you with exceptional respect as though you were somehow superior to me, I will laugh also, because what you're doing is pathetic. And I could be doing it too. It's a human thing. And it doesn't matter what lifestyle brand we do it for. It's a human thing and it's a horrible thing. I am like you. I'd like you. I fucking hate you because you pretend you're not like me.